Hello friends, we are looking for cookies. So let's start. First create new file, name as cookies.php. Okay, after that we have to just import simple HTML template, name it as cookies demo. After that we have to define PHP tag, PHP opening tag, closing tag. In below you should have to include config file. So this is not required, but I have just imported this file. After that we have to define two variables. First name is cookies name. So you have to define what is cookie name. So I just define its username. Okay, after that we have to define cookies value. So cookies value is equal to John Doe. Okay, after that we have to use PHP predefined function, name is set cookies. So I define it, set cookies. First you have to define cookies name, after that cookies value, and then you have to define get current time plus equal to 86400 means seconds into 30, and define a path. Okay, so 86,400 equal to 1 day. Means your cookies is stored in 1 month. After that we are displaying cookies. So there is one, you can access cookies using PHP global variable, name is $_cookies. This is a PHP global variable, and you have to define cookies name, username. Okay, so you can access any cookies defined by their name. So you have to just print echo cookies name. Okay, just save it and run as server. After that you can see our cookies is stored in John Doe. So we have to view cookies. So both are the same pages, but I just differentiate in another pages. So first import the HTML template, title as view cookies. Then copy the same code as we defined already, paste it here and run on server. So you can see there is a John Doe is showing in browser. So now we have to delete our cookies. So we have defined page delete cookies. Okay, import just a simple HTML template, delete cookies. We have to set cookies. For deleting cookies we have to use set cookies function, but in this case we have to set null or empty or time -1 hour means 360 seconds, sorry, 3600 seconds. path same as slash, means in current path. Okay, so just paste cookies name, username. Set -1 hour. Okay, means you have deleted cookies. Okay, so run as server. So you can see cookies is deleted. Okay, so after that we have to refresh the set cookie function. So cookies is set, you can see cookies here. Also refresh, you can delete cookies or then see the cookies. Thank you guys, like and subscribe.